यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में न्यूज़पेपर की क्या रिलेवेंस है, विदिन जस्ट 3 मिनट्स देखते हैं। बिफोर यू मूव फर्दर द इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स केस स्टडीज फ्रॉम दिस न्यूज़पेपर, आप इसकी एंड में स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। Meet the man married to cookies a woman shot in Manipur, video captures killing and a message. This article important for GS1 even in GS4 if the question comes on ethnic conflicts or atrocities again confliction of ethnic violence. You can use this example. Moving forward. Cabinet note to new food security policy. This article important for GS2 if the question comes on policies and even in GS3 if the question comes on food security or public distribution system, as it is continuously asking in UPSC PYQs in mains. So you should know that the Delhi policy food security rules 2025 focus on fair identification, need-based prioritization and accountability. You can use this as a case study example. Before you move further, the Samadhan crash course under the guidance of MK Yadav sir, which covers more than 6,000 plus micro concepts, associates, PYQs, current affairs with test series. You can enroll to your holistic preparation of prelims. Two big speeches what got lost in the between. This article is important for prelims. You should know the World Economic Forum with its reports, as UPSC are seen from the reports of the international institutions. Moving forward, Trump is succeeding because of the leaders who want to be little Trumps. This article is important for GS2. If the question comes on international relations, you can some extraordinary keywords which will definitely give you an extra in mains like liberal hypocrisy, liberal internationalism, territorial revitalism, territorial grab, resource exploitation, threat of territorial annexation, maximal stress, etc. To have a say in India must be on board. 4 reasons of Delhi should decline. This article again important for GS2 international relations. If the question comes on bilateral issue between the countries or any aspects, you can use some keywords like global south leadership, humanitarian assistance in UN by India, and from prelims point of view, you should know the G2, G20, BRICS, they're in members of inclusion, as UPSC continually asking from these topics. Moving forward. Draft NEP 2026 bets big on nuclear tariff tweaks and cross subsidy rules. This article can be used in any paper if the question comes on mains on energy topic. You can use this as a way forward as a case study. NEP 2026 seeks to restore financial health of the DISCOMs by promoting cost reflective tariffs, timely cost pass through and reduction of AT losses. And specific for the DISCOM, you can use this. Moving forward, Trump, Greenland, Gambit in his signature playbook. This article important for GS2 as US policies, extremist policies you can mention as the deglobalization or globalization. And from Philip's point of view, this article is important because the places on the news. So you should know all the places which are in news. For example, West Asia, Greenland and their location, mountains, rivers. And you should also know about NATO, which is already been asked in PYQ from mains point of view and from Philip's point of view also. It is a 32-member body now. It demonstrates attack on one, de-embarked attack in all. That's your UPSC readiness for today. Stay consistent, stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the very best.